Hey everyone, Stabicraft on the sound here. Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please reach down there and hit that button. And if you want to get the latest notifications, you can hit the little bell icon. And we thank you for your support. What we're going to do today is a long-term review on my SMI Crab Pot that has been around, I think, in use 3 years now. And you can see it's starting to get a little worse for wear, where the coating is rubbed off and the salt water's had its way with it. You see in the bottom, I've got one 10-pound weight still tied down on here. The other one, some point in time, has busted loose and been lost. And out of the 3 crab pots like this I started with 3 years ago, I am down to only 1 left. So getting ready to decide, do I really want to replace this style with a different style, or stick with the SMI Octagon here, which so far this thing's been pretty dead reliable. It's got the built-in bait box and plenty of room. So you know, it's been a solid, reliable performer. Idea of the size of this SMI pot. You can see the bait board here on the back of my Staby, right? And this thing, I mean, hangs over a fair amount. It's a good 3 foot by 3 foot at least. You know, I think I'm still using the same rot cord I've had on here for several years now. It's just never come undone. Comes with the little stainless clips. They're even starting to get a little tarnished. I used a decent stainless rig to pull it back in with. One of the nice things, you can actually buy replacement parts easily for this. So if you see here, one of my trap doors is hanging loose. Well, every now and then these things can just come totally off and get lost, right? So one of the local sporting goods stores here actually does sell replacements for these doors. So it's pretty easy to replace one should one go missing, which so far I've not had, because I've normally caught them before they pop off and disappear at the bottom of the sound. But so yeah, let's get this thing baited up here and we'll get it out and let it soak for an hour or so and come pull it back in and see how well it's done. And we have nothing, not a thing. Here we go. The SMI pot appears to have brought us in some pretty good sized males. Actually, had a little better luck on the second pot, and got a monster male here. Let's see how big this one is. You can see him trying to pinch my thumb there. This one comes in right at 7 inches. So and this isn't the biggest one in there. So in the store the other day, that was about a $25 crab. Now we got the trophy crab of the day. Look at this bad boy. He's got some heft to him, right? Let's see if the gauge won't even clear. So this one is probably right at like maybe 7.5. Yeah, this is probably 7 1/4, 7.5. And he's got some weight to him as well. All right, our next to last pull, more monster, or near monster size crab, and 1 big starfish. This is the first for me. So I should probably get the starfish out before the crabs decide he looks tasty. Male, so. This one is a little smaller than the others. He's right at 6.5. So That is a keeper. Male. A little over 6.5, so another keeper. I think when it's time to replace my big octagon SMI traps, which, as I said earlier, I'm down to really the last one at this point. It's starting to rust through. I'm gonna go ahead and go with some of these $20 pots from Walmart and run them until I lose them or they dissolve in the salt water. Hit like, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you again soon. Take care, everyone.